Good morning, students. So today we will learn factor tree. So this is a very easy topic. Before doing the factor tree, you have to learn the prime numbers that I have given in the last class. So you remember all the prime numbers, that is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, like this continue. Okay, you have to remember all the prime numbers before doing the factor tree. So this is from your page number 56, exercise 4. Your question is make factor tree for the following. So here in the book the question is, number A question is 8. So before doing the book question, I will take some examples that are different from the book. So let's take any number. Suppose here I am taking a number 12. This is a question, okay, 12. So how to make the factor tree? We have to write any two numbers, that two numbers multiplication should be 12, but we will not write 1. Except for 1 we can write any other numbers. So 12, for 12 we can write 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12. Now we have to see which is prime number. This is not a prime number, but 2 is a prime number, so we will circle this because 2 is a prime number. Our division is finished here. Next, 6 is not a prime number, so again we have to do this. We have to write two numbers here, that two numbers multiplication should be 6. So we can write 2 3s are 6, 2 into 3 6. Now 2 is also a prime number, 3 is also a prime number, so our division is, our factor tree is finished. So therefore we can write 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3, 2 into 2 into 3, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. You can do in different way also. Another options I will show you. 12, you can write different numbers but not 1. Suppose here I am writing 3 4s are 12. So next what we have to see, which is prime. 3 is a prime, so we have to circle this, but 4 is not a prime. We have to again do this. 2 2s are 4, 2 is a prime number, 2 is a prime number, so our factor tree is finished. Therefore 12 is equal to 3 into 2 into 2, 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So you can do any way. Next, suppose another example I will take. Suppose 24. So you can write any numbers, your choice. It is your choice. You write any two numbers, that two numbers multiply should be 24. But remember that it should not be 1. We cannot write 1. 24 is a 24, don't write 1. Except for 1, you write any numbers. So let's take here. Suppose I am taking 3 8s are 24. So see here, I am writing 3 here, 8 here. Or you can write 8 here, 3 here. Anyway, 8 3 or 3 8 anyway. So now 3 is a prime number, so 3 we have to circle it. Next, 8. So for 8 we can write 2 4s are 8. 2 is a prime number, so we will circle it. 4 is not a prime, so again we have to do 2 2s are 4. So this 2 is prime number. Our factor tree is finished. So therefore we can write 24 is equal to 3 into 2 into 2 into 2. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24. Different way we can do. Suppose 24, I can write different number also, different from 3 and 8. We can write 6 4s are 24, we can write 2 12s are 24, we can write 8 3s are 24, anything. Suppose here this time I am writing 6 4s are 24. 6 into 4 is 24, but 6 is not a prime, 4 is also not a prime. So we have to do this again. This one also again we have to do. Now for 6 we can write 2 3s are 6, 2 is also prime, 3 is also prime. For 4 we can write 2 2s are 4, 2 is also prime, this 2 is also prime. So our factor tree is finished. So therefore we can write 24 is equal to 2 into 3 into 2 into 2. You can check also. 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24. Now we will start the question. So this was the example. So number A question in your book is 8. So number A, 8. So for that we have to write any two numbers, multiplication should be 8 but not 1. So I am taking here 2, suppose 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 is a prime but 4 is not a prime. So that means again we have to do this. 4 we can write 2 2s are 4, 2 is also prime, this is also prime. So our factor tree is finished. Therefore we can say that 8 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. So like this you have to do. One more question I will show you. Number B. Number B is 20. So 20, you can write 2 10s are 20, you can write 5 4s are 20, you can write 10 2s are 20, 4 5s are anything you can write, but not 1. So let's see here. I am taking, suppose 4 5s are 20, 4 5s are 20. Now we have to see which is prime. 4 is not a prime, 5 is a prime number, so we have to circle this. We have to circle the prime numbers, okay? Since 5 is prime, so I have circled 5. I cannot circle 4 because 4 is not a prime. Next, this one we cannot do here, we have to do this one. So 4 we can write 2 2s are 4. 2 is a prime, this 2 is also prime. So our factor tree is finished. Therefore we can write 20 is equal to 2 into 2 into 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20.